student, welcome to Man in Black channel. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Today our topic is reported speech. So what is reported speech, when we use it and how we use it, we are going to learn in this lesson. So reported speech. Speech like means when we say something, this is a speech, and for example, I say something and you want to say to second or third person, then we use reported speech. For example, if I say I am going to cinema and my friend listen these things and he wants to tell second person or third person or his friend or her friend, for that we use reported speech. Ashkan.
What's up?
I'm good.
Good. Evet arkadaşlar, merhabalar, kanalımıza hoş geldiniz. Lütfen abone olmayı ve bildirim butonunu açmayı unutmayınız. Arkadaşlar bugünkü konumuz reported speech. Yani birinin söylediği şeyi başkasına anlatırken bizler indirect speech yani dolaylı anlatımı kullanırız. Bir nevi bunun genel kuralı bir önceki tensi yani bir önceki zamanı kullanmaktır arkadaşlar. Bunun dışında zamirler ve zaman ifadelerini anlam bütünlüğünü bozması için değiştirilebilir. Bunları örneklerde göreceksiniz arkadaşlar. Şimdi right now we are going to teach you. Please pay attention. Sharek, go ahead.
So as you see, we already wrote on the board like all the rules and regulation. So you see the tense and we need to change the tense, then direct speech and reported speech. Direct speech means when I say something to Ashkan and Ashkan will say someone else, that will be reported speech. When I say to Ashkan, this is direct speech, and when Ashkan tells you, then it's called reported speech. So we will go one by one. So present simple, when the tense is present simple, you will change in past simple, and for example, she always wears a coat. So this is present simple, this is direct speech, and when you have to report it, it will be like that. She said that she always wear a coat.
Thank you so much Sharek. Arkadaşlar Sharek'in dediği gibi yani direct speech doğrudan anlatım, indirect speech ise dolaylı anlatım arkadaşlar. Doğrudan anlatımda sadece tırnak işaretinde kişinin söylediği şey yazılır. Fakat indirect speech yani dolaylı anlatımda ise tense bir önceki tense yazılır arkadaşlar. Dediğim gibi zamirler ve zaman ifadeleri anlam bütünlüğü için değiştirilir. Gördüğünüz gibi tahtada iki tane örnek var arkadaşlar. Birincisi direct speech. She always wears a coat. Fakat bunu başkasına rapor ederken gördüğünüz gibi present tense past simple'a dönüşecek arkadaşlar. She said that she always wore a coat. Direct speech, present tense. Another one yani reported speech ise past simple'a dönüşmüş arkadaşlar. Go ahead Sharek.
Yeah, second, present continuous will change.
Sorry, I forgot. Sorry.
Present continuous will change in past continuous. So example, you see, I am looking for my keys. So this is present continuous. This is direct speech. How you will make it reported speech? So it will change in past continuous. So it will be like that. He said that he was looking for his keys.
Evet arkadaşlar, direct speech ve reported speech'teki cümlelere bakalım. İlk olarak cümlemiz present continuous tense. I'm looking for my keys. Bunu bir başkasına rapor ederken gördüğünüz gibi cümle past continuous'a dönüşmüş arkadaşlar. He said that he was looking for his keys. Go ahead.
Kanka, keys anahtar değil mi?
That's right.
You see my keys?
Yeah.
And next one, past simple will change in past perfect. So example, my friend gave me a candy. I love candy. Yeah, by the way.
Yep.
So it will change in, he said that his friend had given candy.
Perfect. Cümlemize bakalım. My friend gave me candy. Past simple. Fakat rapor ederken past perfect değişmiş arkadaşlar. He said that his friend had given candy. Go ahead.
Okay, so now past continuous will change in past perfect continuous.
Sorry.
So
So I got full energy today. That's why, man.
that's good.
Yeah.
That's good for our students.
Yep. Go ahead.
Okay, so past continuous will change in past perfect continuous. So example is that we were living in London Direct speech, reported speech will be, they said that they had been living in London.
Evet arkadaşlar, cümlemiz past continuous tense'te direct speech, yani doğrudan we were living in London, fakat bunu rapor ederken bir önceki tense, yani past perfect continuous tense, they said that they had been living in London. Go ahead.
Okay, present perfect will change in past perfect. So example is like this, she has written 3 letters. So it will change in reported speech. She said that she had written 3 letters.
She has written 3 letters. This sentence direct speech. Another one, reported speech. She said that she had written 3 letters. This one is past perfect. Go ahead.
And this was present perfect. Now you will see past perfect. Also it will change in the same tense, past perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, same. So bread had gone a stall. So past direct speech, reported speech will be, she said that bread had gone a stall.
Örneğimize bakalım. Bread had gone stall. She said that bread had gone stall.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So just you need to be careful when there is a past perfect, it will be past perfect. Okay?
Yep.
And
Go
next,
ahead.
past perfect continuous will change in past perfect continuous is same. So it will be like this. He had been teaching for 2 years. She said that he had been teaching for 2 years. So just you need to careful with past perfect and past perfect continuous. When you change it direct to reported speech, it will be same. Just you will use that.
Yep. He has been teaching for 2 years. He said that he had been teaching for 2 years. Go ahead.
Okay, so this were the tense, how we change direct speech into reported speech. Now we will see some models, what we do with the models. So will change in would. So it will be, I will finish my report in 2 minutes. So this is direct report speech. She said that he would finish his report in 2 minutes.
Your right is bad, by the way.
Where?
All of them. Evet arkadaşlar, videonun başında söylediğim gibi bir önceki zamanı reported ederken, yani rapor ederken bir önceki zaman kullanılır. Modaslara bakalım arkadaşlar. Modaslar. Will, would olur arkadaşlar. Bir önceki zaman, I will finish my report is 2 minutes. He said that he will finish his report in 2 minutes, guys. Another, diğer modasına bakalım arkadaşlar. Would, he would work in the garden. They said that he would work in the garden.
Yeah.
Yep.
So these are the reported speech. Just it's little bit complicated.
Yeah, little bit.
But
Just little bit.
if you follow the rules and regulations, it will gonna be very easy for you guys. Now we will continue more with the models and we will see the other important things as well.
Evet arkadaşlar, Şerif'in bahsettiği gibi biraz karmaşık olabilir konu, fakat kuralları takip ettiğinizde bu karışıklık ortadan kalkar ve kolay bir şekilde yapabilirsiniz arkadaşlar. Şimdi models'larla devam ediyoruz, right? Did you understand what I'm saying?
Of course.
Buddy, you understand really clearly Turkish, right?
My Turkish is better than yours.
Oh, no way, man, no way. Okay, guys. See you in another one. Evet arkadaşlar, reported speech konusuna models'larla devam ediyoruz. Şerif, go ahead.
Yeah. So as you see, can will change in could. Direct speech, I can speak Turkish. She said that she could speak Turkish.
Evet arkadaşlar, can models'ına bakıyoruz. Direct speech'te I can speak Turkish, fakat rapor ederken she said that she could speak Turkish. Gördüğünüz gibi bir önceki zamana dönüştü rapor ederken can, could oldu. Şerif, go ahead.
Yeah. Could will change in could and you can make direct and reported speech.
Yep. Arkadaşlar, could yine could olarak kalmakta, cümleyi bu şekilde devam ettirebilirsiniz. Şerif, go ahead.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah. Good catch.
Yes. Should will change in should, may will change in might will change in might, and according to that you can make your direct speech and reported speech.
That's right. Arkadaşlar, should report speech'te may, might oluyor. Might yine might olarak kalmakta. Şerif, keep going.
Yeah, and here are some possible conversation. For example, now will change in then at the time, today, yesterday, that day, yesterday, the day before yesterday, tomorrow, next day.
Here is example of some possible conversation. Now, then, at that time, today, rapor ederken, yesterday, or that day, yesterday, the day before, yesterday is the last one, tomorrow and next day. Correct. So, what is the next?
So I think we think is enough for today.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you have any question, please let us know.
Don't be shy.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and press the bell icon. See you in the next lesson.
Evet arkadaşlar, videomuzun sonuna gelmiş bulunmaktayız. Lütfen abone olmayı ve paylaşmayı unutmayınız. Have a nice day.